If only you knew.
What the hell? Send it. Send it.
Right here, we got a wild Adrian pulling up on the curb. You're gonna see him pop a 360 wheelie U-turn behind the back crossover. Usually he's not good at these things, but let's see his choice Adam today, boys. Pull it. Oh. And just like that, he's gone.
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. What you say?
There it is. There it is.
Yeah, we gotta paint it again, boys.
He had to go fix his door because it chipped. I don't like the first week.
How much did that cost?
Nothing.
He did it for free, but we had,
Insurance.
and he redid a whole bunch of crap in it.
Yeah.
Come here, walk with me. See, if you don't wash your car, it's gonna look like this van later on. All right.
Right.
All right. The clear coat's gonna disappear, and it's not gonna be nice and purple anymore.
Fall off.
It's gonna fall off, right?
fade.
So what you gotta do for me is you gotta wash your fucking car. All right. Wash your.
Don't spray it with water. Don't drive really fast after you spray it with water.
To give you guys an explanation, I just told Jono my car is dirty because we're doing a photo shoot later, and he's like, dude, just wash it off and drive really fast. That's what Gabe tells me to do. I need some of that Flirt Go-Go juice on my wheels. Dude, that shit works.
That sounds like a kid's show.
But it works.
Flirp Go-Go.
I don't know if I'd say it sounds like a kid show. It
Sounds
might
like a kid show.
cross lines with
No.
something else, but Flirp's Go-Go juice.
You see this bucket?
All right, you see this bucket? See,
what I
you're
just
not
pulled
gonna put water on your car and drive really fast.
You're gonna put some soap in there, leave the sponge in there for like 2-3 minutes. Alright, dude? Alright, dude? Alright, dude? And then you're gonna wipe down your car with the soapy water. And then after you wipe down your car with the soapy water, you rinse it with semi-warm water.
Just so you guys know, it's been about 10 seconds. This car still hasn't started yet. Damn. You saw the whole front moving?
Dude, his whole front end is just...
Ah, boy. 240 things. Drive mad slow, boy.
What?
You take mad long at fucking turns. Like, make the right turn.
I'm pushing my car to its limits. This car is so slow that I thought...
Take the sandwiches.
This car is so slow that I thought something was wrong with it.
Dude, I was cruising at like 30 the
No,
entire
I'm
waiting
like-
for you. You are so
I'm trying
you're
to catch up
so
to you.
slow.
Yeah, Mr. Slowly over here.
I just think that it was just a dumb buy. He could have easily bought a turboed S4 or something and been making so much more power. And I think that pretty much wraps it up. Thank you guys for 10K. We would like to do more Q&As like this. If you guys think that's a great idea, please leave a comment down below.
On it, they keep putting sponsored accounts. Not even like business accounts, just normal people using the sponsor option. This is what's on. This is on my sponsored.
Yeah.
And you want me to show you what was on my sponsored this morning? I woke up around like 9:15, 9:30. I wake up. This is on my sponsored.
Good morning.
What the? We're gonna have to like blur that out.
What is it?
This is on my sponsored.
Alright.
Now, you can't spell nutrition without nut.
Yes, podcast done, Q&A done. Another podcast tomorrow. Now we're gonna go do a photo shoot. I might have to rinse my car off real quick.
I really want to go. It fucking sucks. I want to go.
It's gonna be nice too.
It honestly, you're going like right now.
I have to hit up the, yeah, because Jodo, I think Jodo, ask him. I'm pretty sure he has people coming.
Because when my presentation's done, depending on what time it ends, I could just like meet you over there.
Pulling out the classics, boy. It's a nice day. Classics, boy. It sucks, you gotta go to school.
That's what I'm saying. I wish I could go.
We gotta go do a photo shoot.
I mean, if you guys want, I don't know.
You're gonna take too long. It's gonna take you too long to do everything.
Yeah.
Because we can't miss the sunlight.
Oh yeah, so then yeah, you're not probably gonna be. By the time I get over there, everything's probably gonna be like, probably have like an hour.
I mean, it would depend on what time you got out there. Plus, it's gonna be rush hour.
Oh yeah, too. Fuck that.
Yo, look at this!
What? Yo, look at this! What?
Look Like, really? Come look at this.
When he moves his car, I will come look. What happened? That's a face of very big disappointment. Oh, scratches?
Holy Jesus. From I don't know where.
Damn. I don't even know if the camera's picking it up.
Look at this. Like, just come right here. Camera. Like, right here.
That
I
shine.
really can't even see it on yo. The sparkle in this is oof, looks like a damn portal to the netherworld.
I feel like I'm in New York right now. Like I feel like I'm in some like different freaking country. I don't know, this feels weird as hell. I've never been to this island before. We made it.
Yeah, we gotta go up there first. Don't show them everything. We gotta go up there. So you gotta do the 360. Yo, if you live in New York, you know where this is, or you might not know where this is. But if you don't know where this is and you live in New York, sucks for you. Because this place is, oh man, like
this wind noise is gonna get crazy up here probably.
I don't think this is.
It's like SpongeBob with the pizza.
Do a quick 360. I have to take two, but I'm gonna take one. When it comes out, run to my glove compartment. Or if yours is closer, you have a glove compartment? You can open it?
I'd rather do yours.
Alright. Yeah, and just go put it in there. Take one more for you.
You should do one in the back. I like the back of my car way more than the front.
You want the back version?
I don't like the back. I mean, I don't like the front.
I only got one shot left.
So I'm surprised public safety hasn't come and kicked us out yet or like told us to move. Because there was 2 cars in a row and then nothing. So we're waiting for our friend Edgar and Io, I think. I don't know where. Yo, this kid, he's trying to get those camera angles.
Honestly, just being able to just drive with your best friend and do something that you guys have spoken about when you were little is really, really dope. And both being able to drive your dream cars. When you start running out of power steering fluid, does it start to make a weird noise? Yeah. Okay. What the hell?
It is a great feeling to drive cars with your best friend until he says things that are making noises.
Not be that shit. You take pictures of your car. We already took mad pics. Like, yeah, your cars look so cool next to each other.
Yo, did you see what I sent you?
Yeah.
I told you the same thing. I was like, more virgin talk. When you were like, it's so special when you and your best friend get to drive to. I was like, yo, this nigga is mook. How's the podcast?
It went really good. The studio
was just you two?
nice. It was me, him, and. Let's look at the Polaroids, guys.
You got a hole in your back.
Those are so cool, man. Damn, there was no cars here.
Nah, that's across the street.
Oh.
I
was like, yeah. Rush hour really hits. Like,
It's probably nice and warm in there.
oh, shit.
Dude, you're not even that tall. Come on.
Gotta get the seatbelts.
Bro, this feels like a race car.
Here. Oh, why is it stuck?
Maybe because I'm fat.
Nah, I think it's legitimately stuck. Anto's not that skinny.
Yo, you know what would be fire if we had these 2 cars in a music video?
That's what I said.
You never said that.
Oh my god, bro. You're bugging out. It's a weekend.
But like next, shut up, Jodell. I'm trying to always take my credit.
Wow.
American. You don't need to touch anything.
That's it.
I'd say tap the gas, but that's up to you.
Tap the gas.
No.
Nah, just tap. We're leaving right now.
Tap, not all the way, like tap it. Nah, a little more, a little more. A little more. No, you can keep it on. No, or not.
Oh, my bad.
How are my seats?
Mad uncomfortable. Rocket ship seats. Like,
It's buckets, boy.
nah.
When you this is the spot. If you're ever in LIC, come to the Burger Garage. Really good pricing and great burgers. It looks like a garage, even though there's no cars. Even though no one drives out here. Yeah. Oh boy, I am not backing up over that. You are crazy. Oh, he just scraped mad hard. Oh, dude. Yeah, boy. Oh, dude, that scared the hell out of me.
There's no space in here.
No, we're not. My car is not backing up all the way down. If you guys can hear this noise, it's the trains right now, but it sounds like like a horde's gonna come around that corner and start attacking us. You see a wretch run across the thing from Gears of War. Sounds like the screams of 1,000 souls.